What is the most popular color for granite? Dear friends, granite is commonly used in homes for items like countertops and sinks. However, granite isn't just one color. Granite is typically primarily quartz and feldspar but can also include potassium feldspar, biotite, muscovite, and amphibole. Each mineral has its own distinct color. There are quite a few variations in granite color, but these are the most popular colors used for granite items like countertops. Black. The color you are most likely to see used with granite is black. It is a simple look that is quite appealing to the eye. Granite gets its black color from gabbro, which is an iron and magnesium-rich rock. Some types of stone that are advertised as black granite are not actually truly granite, however. The stone must contain at least 20% quartz to be considered granite. However, it still has most of the properties of granite, so you shouldn't be afraid to add it to your home. White. If you see white granite, that means it is likely made up of mostly feldspar and quartz. You will probably find small specks of black in the white of the granite. These are most likely small pieces of amphibole grains. Sometimes, the amphibole grains are there but either the chemical components to fully form aren't there, or the cooling process did not allow them to form. Be aware that if you have a rock or slab that is entirely white, it is probably man-made and not truly granite. Pink and red granite pieces have become more popular over the years. Granite processing technology is allowing for more finishes of granite, and this is causing more and more people to implement the pieces in their homes. Pink and red granite has a high concentration of potassium feldspar. When the piece has dark red tones, it likely comes from iron oxide. You might also find a piece that has lava stone in it, which creates a red surface. A soft, pink granite piece can lend an air of romance, while red can add a fiery brilliance to the space. Either way you decide to go, pink and red granite can truly transform your space. Blue. Another color sold as granite that isn't entirely granite is blue granite. It is usually larvikite or anorthosite. Larvikite is an igneous rock with monzonite that is often referred to as blue granite. Anorthosite contains a bunch of blue labradorite and can be sold under the name blue granite. Green. Green granite is not nearly as popular as the other colors, but this might be due to its rarity. It's challenging to find purely green granite, but it can be found if it has a green feldspar mineral called amazonite. Generally, though, if you are being sold green granite, it is more likely a metamorphic rock with a lot of serpentines, like marble, or a different type of rock, like soapstone. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.